Hello everyone, I'm gonna showcase a collision prevention model. I have made this model by using a YoloV4 Teeny using COCO dataset. So basically what is done is if you implement it in your car, a virtual line will appear, and whenever any other car will be very close inside that line, when a front collision can be happen, that time alert sound will come with an warning signs. Thus, so this is how we can prevent many accidents from collision. So let's see the demo. I am running it on my Paisha, the same as using HTML and flask app. So let's see how it works. So again you can see there is a virtual line in gray, and I have picked a modern video from YouTube, random video. So let's see how it works. This car has a possibility of collision. As you can see, it is giving alerts whenever it has a chance of collision. Okay, so this is working fine. Thank you.